Okay, we are here at the aftermath of me making the bubble wand, and at first I was like, this is going to be a nightmare to clean. However, I have found out, and I'm not soaking these, this is just water because of the overload of me doing everything. But I found that my manicure brush that I use to wipe out the bowl or the mold sometimes, that it's working perfectly for kind of scrubbing, especially like, oh, that doesn't have any, the side pieces from it going inside of the mold. There's not normally too much on here, but I found that those worked out perfectly. And then for these guys, I will use my bottle cleaners, similar to how I did the Soapification mold. And the bristles on this one, like, they're very gentle. I don't know if that would make any difference, because I know some manicure brushes are like super harsh. So I got that piece. Now I'm gonna get out maybe this guy or this guy, and then that should get those nice and clean. This got some stuff on there, so overall not too bad. I mean, after all, you know, what we're working with is soap, so this one was one of the ones that was a little bit harder to get out. So the fact that you're working with soap makes this easier to be able to clean in the end anyway. So perfect. I just thought I would share this with you just in case it happens to help anybody else with their cleanup process, because right now it is 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm trying to get this done as fast as humanly possible. And I would love to be able to sit there and soak these overnight and come back in the morning. It ain't an option, because this girl is going to bed. So hope that helps. Have a great day.